2016 Jeep Cherokee. The Jeep Cherokee offers superior off-road capability. This makes the Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, compass, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, power windows, fog lights, trip computer, tachometer, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, overhead console, brake assist, power seat, tilt steering wheel, front bucket seats, rear window wiper. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.